Okay, great job with your warm-up. Now we're gonna go through a cardio section. The intention of a cardio section is to get your heart rate going, to sweat a little bit, and to have a good time. So follow along, make sure that you are reaching the maximum that you wanna reach today. So you can add a jump, you can not add a jump, low impact, high impact. Just watch me and do what feels good on your body. Let's get started. All right, standing with the feet below the hips, we're gonna start with a knee raise. Up, switch. So you bring your knee to your chest, tummy tight, chest is lifted. Hands on the hips. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna add some arms. Reach. Opposite arm is leg. Option to add a little bounce. Okay, we're gonna run forward, run back. Run forward, run back. Come back to center, back to the knee lifts. We're gonna go 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Run forward, run back, or whatever space you have. Okay, back to the center. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, run. You can go in a circle. Nice. Okay, new move. Watch this side tap, 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 tap. So I'm staying loose on my legs. Side tap. Keep that standing leg bent so you're kind of bouncy and you're just loose. Relax the arms. Option, take the bounce out, and you can just stay low. Okay, can you take it a little faster? So it's just a side step. And then bend the leg, sit the hips back. Breathe, feeling it. Shoulders down. Okay, from the beginning, knees. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, run it out. Side taps. Looking good. Few more. All right, knees. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Break is coming. Run. Few more, and then you're done. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Jog it out, shake it out. Okay, more cardio coming. So start with the squats here. You're gonna put your hands on the floor. You're gonna step back to a push-up position. Bring your feet up to your hands, squat, and stand up. It's a burpee, just like this. Okay, option, if you don't wanna do that, you can just squat and hold, just like that. So, right here. Yep. Okay, new move. High knees. Knees come to the chest, just like you're running. Yeah. Okay, new move. Butt kicks. Feet to the bum, just like this. Yeah. Remember, this is cardio, so you should be feeling a lot of breath. If you need to take a break, take it. Okay, we're gonna combine the two, so 2 burpees like this. Squat, you can jump back and stand, jump, high knees. Butt kicks. Again, burpee. Stand, yeah. high knees, butt kicks. Okay, new move, jumping jack. Slow. So for the jumping jack, my toes are at 45 degrees, heels on the ground, bend the knees. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna speed it up. Ready? In, out, yeah. Now option if you don't wanna jump, just tap. Yeah. Perfect. Looking good. Okay, new move, squat, jump, squat, jump. Remember, land soft, toe ball heel. Yeah. Okay, jumping jacks, ready? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, squat jump. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest. We're gonna combine it. Burpee, high knee, butt kicks. Whole thing. Jumping jacks, squat jumps. Burpee, so 2 of them. I lied, 4, 3 more. 2 more. Last one. High knees, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Butt kicks. Woo hoo. Sweating. Jumping jacks. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Squat jump. 8, 7, 6, 5. You got it. 4. So the last one. 3, 2, 1. Finish. Woo.